Welcome to our second pre-intermediate lesson where we're talking about the past. But before we talked about the past, we needed to learn all about different ways of talking in the past. And actually over here, over here, we were looking at all different ways of talking in the past. You know, we could do things 2 hours ago, 8 o'clock, at 8 o'clock this morning, yesterday afternoon, or Monday morning. All different ways of talking in the past. Uh-oh, she's gone, she's laughing. But sometimes when we talk in the past, we need to use these little prepositions. At 8 o'clock, the lesson started at 8 o'clock. There is a lesson on Wednesday. I was born on the 14th of June. I was born in June. I was born in 1968. These are the little words we need to remember to use before these time expressions, because we use a lot of time expressions in the past simple. And here are a few that we don't use any prepositions on, like I saw him yesterday, I saw him last night, I saw him yesterday morning, and things like that. Then we did a quick review of the present simple and the past simple. Firstly, we did it using all verbs. I just used the word work, the verb work. In the present, I, you, we, they work, he, she, it works. This is where we need to change the verb from work to works for he, she, and it. But in the negative, it's the auxiliary verb that changes and the main verb stays the same. And this is really important. I, you, we, they don't work, he, she, it doesn't work. And there's something similar here in the past simple. In the past, we use one verb for all of them. I, you, he, she, it, we, and they. We know. This is a regular verb, so it's just worked. But in the negative, we change the auxiliary verb. We use the auxiliary verb in the past, and the main verb stays in the present simple first person for the negative. I don't work, he doesn't work, I, you, he, she, it, we, they didn't work. So things change for the verb in the third person positive or in the present simple, and for everything in the past simple in the positive. And in the negative, we need to remember this auxiliary verb change and the main verb staying present simple first person. Thank you, Pavel, that was very fast. And the verb to be, we're going to do it again and again and again, don't worry. In the present, there are three. This is where it gets a little bit more challenging. I am, you, we, they are, he, she, it is, and we just use not for the negative. I, he, she, it was, you, we, they were, and then just add not for the negative. Well done for today.